Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Yes, today is Saturday. Today is 5 off of 25 at Dollar General. I am out and about. You see I am sitting in my car. So trying to find some deals and seeing what's out here. Some of the stores, like again, some of them are empty and some of them, you know, the right stores are empty when you're trying to find stuff. But I did go. I just came out of the store. You know, I usually don't take you all with me because they always playing music, and you know how YouTube is with music. So I went in there, did me a 5 off of 25, and it was great. So let me show you what I got. But first, thank you, new subscribers and old subscribers. So let me show you what I got. So the first thing I got was the Swabbatel. There is a $1 off digital coupon for this. This is $1.95. Then I got the Slim Soft toothbrush. You know, there's a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching to this. Now I had 2 Colgate coupons, so I went ahead and got the Colgate Optic White. I got 2 of them. So these are, I think they was they was $4 each. They was $4 each. So I had a $2 off digital coupon for this one and a $2 off digital coupon for this one. All right. So the next thing was the Febreze Small Spaces. This is $3 and I think 25 cents. So I had a $2.30 off digital coupon for this. The Palmolive, they are 2 for, I think they 2 for $5 or 2 for $4, but I just went ahead and purchased one because I had a $1.50 off digital coupon for this. I think it was $1.50. No, I'm sorry, it was $1. I had a $1 off digital coupon for that. Then I had a Colgate. This is the one that is $8. It is actually renewal. Optic White Colgate. Now when you dealing with these 3, you want to put these first. You want to scan these first for the lower value coupon since they $2. Then you scan this one last because it had a $4 off digital coupon. Okay, you want to do that. Then the last thing I got was this Airwick. For these are what was they, $6.25 for the Airwick. Yeah, $6.25. Look, I'm looking at it again. $6.25, and I had a $4 off digital coupon that did attach. I thought this was $8, but no, it rung up $8.25. Yeah, $8.25 for this one. Now there is one out there that is $8, but that one was $8.25. That's all I had. So my subtotal, y'all, was $10.50, and you know everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. I hope you can see it. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.